Jain friends, today we have the newspaper of 24th May 2025 and start with the first news that NE to be gateway for trade with Southeast Asia. Modi inaugurating Rising Northeast Summit. PM says region is no longer a frontier but a front runner of growth. The region offers a wide range of economic and industrial opportunity. He pointed out. Hellstrom struck aircraft deny permission to enter Pakistan airspace. Trump threatened EU with 50% tariff in fresh trade showdown. SC allowed Delhi government to withdraw AAP-era plea against Centre and LG. Convicted for pointing gun at officials, Rajasthan BJP MLA lose House's membership. 4 Maoist operative killed in Gadchiroli, 1 in Sukma. SC need to change from being a Chief Justice Center Court. Group A officers of CAPA should be recognized as Organized Services SC. Young lieutenant die saving fellow soldiers in Sikkim. Act against those who dump waste at Sabrimala. SC to support SC to provide mobile phone deposit facilities for voters outside polling stations. Arunachal villagers protest scrutiny put up for proposed dam. The Hindu made of Chennai campaign win INMA Global Media Awards. Link between Pak and terrorism is clear. Saha. Union Home Minister say Pakistan senior army officials took part in funeral of terrorists killed in Operation Sindoor. He lauded the border security forces personnel for their bravery. And that is very, very right action taken by government and amid of war to motivate the soldiers is a very necessary step. Creations of Theatre Command will kick-start new generations of reforms. Rahul should stop making irresponsible remarks, say BJP. Selling is Jammu and Kashmir not random. Pak pick its target, Trinamool Congress. Caste census is a moral obligation of India's democracy, say Kharge. Russia, Japan and UAE leaders express solidarity with India's anti-terror policies. Research scholars upset over DST delay in release of stipends. Supreme Court says dual taxation on broadcasting services permissible in law. SC hold arrest of main accused in AP liquor scam case. A medical oxygen access gap. SC Asia Southeast Asia must bridge. Government, global health agencies, industry and civil society must address the vulnerabilities in oxygen infrastructure that were exposed during the COVID-19 pandemic. Next is introspecting counter-terrorism after Operation Sindoor. Decisive movement. Bisanwaraju killing could defeating the Maoists and serving as a change for peace. Permanent damage. Trump administration's attack on Harvard will have long-term impact. The vlogger who is being called a spy. Bengaluru underwater yet again. Discounted to death, the silent slide of India's Kinana soap. When river meets and fate overflow. IMF confirmed Pak funding issue didn't come up for voting. India to send dossiers to FATF before its plenary in June to push for re-inclusion of Pakistan in grey list of countries subject to raise scrutiny. RBI to transfer 2.69 lakh crores to the government-wide dividend. US slice planned remittance tax to 3.5% from 5%. Court blocked Trump's orders barring foreign student enrollment at Harvard. Yunus Mulling resignation suggests report. Cabinet members say otherwise. Russia-Ukraine initiated the first phase of prisoner swamp. UK Chagos Island deal with Mauritius risk entrenching exile of some islanders. North Korea leaders furious over the failed destroyer launch. Vo arrested. Yunus government strike a discordant note with military over differing of poles. Francisco symbol mark Spanish street 50 years after the dictator's death. That's from my side, friend. See you soon. Giant.